Hello, my name is Karks82 and welcome back to our Project Ozone 3 Kappa mode playthrough. Just doing a couple things. We're doing some different seeds I'm kind of working towards. I'm also working towards the next armor. And I was debating, this is such a backlog because we need so many. I think for the rest of the armor, I think I need like 54,000 ish ingots of the first degree. So I was debating, I'm like, should we just like ramp this up times like 10? Make like 10 magma crucibles and 50 or like 50 magma crucibles and 10 fluid transposers. And I may do that as we progress a bit. If we need, these super endgame ingots, like the like 10th, because then you're gonna start needing just like so many. You'll need like, I don't know how much it is for like 111.3, but I'm sure it's probably like 500,000 ingots of the first one. I don't know the math. I haven't done it out, but I do know it's a lot. So I think we will at some point do that. Although I did hear, I don't remember where, I think I heard this on my Discord that they're going to add AMC value to one of them. I don't know when that's going to happen or when the update. I did hear that, but yeah. But anyway, so I just don't particularly feel like upgrading this at the moment. I know I can. But I'm happy with this, and I'm just kind of doing other things as this is. I'm not sitting here like just staring at this, although it is kind of fun seeing everything work. I'm definitely not, I'm not just sitting here. Like I said, I'm doing other things. I'm doing crops, and then as we can see, I have been to Mercury again. We just got back, and I got some carbon and mercury. And now I don't know how much we're gonna need. It does appear, as we looked, that you don't need... Like this is tungsten and then magnesium. And magnesium is actually really easy to get. I can get it in like the deep dark. I had a bunch in a chest somewhere. From that, man, that keeps freaking me out. I keep seeing this like, I get it, like makes me jump. Yeah, so there's like magnesium. So I don't think we need a ton of this stuff, but I decided to get like 32 carbon ore and 32 mercury ore. I got a little extra mercury because I was trying to find the carbon, but yeah, basically just vein mined out a huge chunk and got this, and then we'll use the this recipe so we can get 4 ingots. Might as well get as much out of it as possible. But yeah, so that's kind of what we were doing. So yeah, working towards the new thing. And as I'm kind of doing that and, doing different things here, I'm realizing that yeah, just the one controller is not going to work. It's too... I don't have enough channels. I think I have... Did I get it? I think I crafted up... We get... No, do we only have the one? I can't remember. Yeah, we only have the one. Or 2. Did we? I think we have 2. I can't remember. It's been a while since I crafted those up. And you can do it manually. It's like, it's really not that horrible. But man, is it annoying. It's, because you have to like, put the stuff in the light box and then chuck it in the water, and then it's just kind of a lot of waiting. So I think while we're doing other things like working towards another rocket and working towards these, I think I want to actually get the assembler line thing for Pneumaticraft set up today, I think. And this base, I've just so grown like organically. It's like modular machine, nuclear craft. We got some galactic craft. We got mechanism over here that we have like a blood magic thing altar. There's a blood magic altar like in here. So I don't know. It's just kind of funny. I was just looking at that. I was like, man, the space is so chaotic. Because I think we'll put it here. It's basically, if I remember, it's like it doesn't take up a lot of room, but it is like 4 blocks. But they're like, I don't think I want it right there though. Didn't really want to build off this way. Man, this this is so chaotic right here. I don't particularly want to move it because I do have it set up and everything's hooked up to the A system. So, all right, now that we have these unassembled PCBs, I do need to turn them into printed circuit boards because we need 4 of these for the different parts. And let's see, what do we need for this? I don't think if I remember correctly, you don't even have to put it in a light box. I think this does the whole thing. I think. Don't quote me on that. We'll find out. But, did I get them all? Why doesn't that one wanna... Why can't I add that? Oh. Did add it. Oh my goodness. Laser. Input. Oh, that's the same. There's the import and the... Alright, that's why. Yeah, those two are the same. You just have to set it. And then the platform. So we need 4. So 1 of these, 2 of those, 1 of those. Alright, so we do everything here. Compressed iron, yeah, we need to get the printed circuit boards. We need red hoppers, this, blue plastic, compressed iron, cannon barrel, which is that. Alright, yeah. Alright. So what did I need? Orange, 3 orange. Of course, this is like... No, so I need... Oh my goodness. We need 2 of these, right? Yes. So 6, 9, 11. That is a lot of blue plastic. Just realizing. So 3 orange, which is easy. Let me just grab the 3 orange while we're over here. 1, 2, 3. And then, like, a ton of blue plastic. I need more oil. Apparently we haven't got orange plastic yet. I think maybe we'll just order some. That's such an easy way to do it, to be honest. Alright, yeah, let me get some of this stuff crafted up, and we'll get some oil ordered up here. I know it's probably easiest. I actually don't know what the easiest... I mean, maybe not, not easy, but like a large, if I need a large amount of oil and plastic, I don't know kind of what... Oh my goodness. I don't know, like, what the best way to go about doing that. Is there a... I just don't want to, like, have, like, a pump set up in the Twilight Forest. I don't know. That just does not appeal to me. So, we'll just do that. Order some oil. And get it from Amazon. Which is totally not a play on any other sort of company in real life. Alright, let me cut here and we will come back. And we are back, and I think I oh, I totally forgot that was a 2. Oh well. I forgot that was... I made too many of those. Oh well. I have plenty of room in the A system. I'm not even using 4 disk drives at all. So I just don't particularly like having stuff in the A system that I'm not going to use. But I've mentioned that, I think, a few times now. So, alright. So we need one of those. Rid of that. We need a laser. I don't have red anywhere. No, I do. I have dye seeds, don't we? There. since I have gone ahead and gotten so many of the different seeds, kind of whenever I just think about it, I added another one, end steel, I realized would probably be a good one. There we go. And then I think I don't remember how you switch. I think there might be hit with a wrench to switch between the modes. Yeah, there we go. So let's just do that. All right, and also, I was just I did a quick Google, and I was kind of just like, how am I gonna get oil? Because oil is a pain, and I know we're gonna need, I'm avoiding kerosene at the moment, but I know we're gonna need a whole lot of it later. I shouldn't be voiding it, but I don't have access to like some really good tanks. I think there's like dynamic tanks from Mechanism, but I mean, I don't know. I don't feel like doing that at the moment. So I'm just kind of avoiding this, and then as needed, we can just ramp this up. But I'm gonna need a lot of oil to get the kerosene out of. And we'll probably need tons and tons of plastic. But there's a few ways you can do it. Immersive engineering, I think you can, is there immersive, like petroleum, is that, I can't remember if that is in this. I don't know if it is actually. But that can like possibly drill. I don't know if immersive petroleum is immersive. Actually, now I'm kind of curious. Immersive, yeah, immersive petroleum's in here. So you could use that to get oil. Or what I'm kind of thinking, and I need to get a fluid cow to spawn. Get oil from fluid cows, because there is an oil fluid cow. So what I'm gonna try to do is, I had like a whole bunch of spawns over there of fluid cows, but they don't want to seem spawn in Jungle Hills, so yeah, get a fluid cow, and then we can put it in the mob duplicator and duplicate it like crazy, and then get one with oil. And that is kind of what I'm thinking for an oil setup, but we're not quite there yet. I just thought I would mention that. Oh, apparently when you break that up, or when you break it, you I thought it would stay the blue one, but apparently not. I think we're gonna put this right here. I think we're actually done with this. I think. Yeah, that's not the best way to do that, but I think. I don't remember. Oh, no. Is there one? I thought that one hooked up to the. Maybe it's the charging station. Maybe I had it right. Is it the charging station that does it? Does that connect to everything? I thought it connected to this, but maybe I was wrong. No, that's not. Let me really quickly, let me look this up. I can't remember how to hook this up. Yeah, because that is what you basically, it's like kind of like a multi-block. And I actually kind of I want this one in front, because it is fun to watch. I can't remember how to hook it up. Alright, you might notice the light box is back, and that's because I forgot to craft something up. I needed 3 more circuit boards, so it wasn't just 4, it was 7 that we needed. Assembly controller. So there, there is that. I felt like I was missing something, and there we go, a whole bunch of things. So I'm pretty sure, like I said, I don't think we need this anymore, but we do need to hook this up, and alright, cool, that'll work. So I think we can just do that there, and then we need to do that, and we need to put a program in, that's right. So we want to get, let's see, what do we want? We need the printed circuits. or unassembled PCB, basically. All right, so we do need the empty PCB. That's good to know. So we need to craft those up. Let's just craft, those are super, super easy. They do need green plastic, which is a, okay, so maybe not super easy, but they are PCB. Yeah, let's do, I don't know, 4. If we have enough green plastic, hopefully. No, I don't have any green plastic. I have it right here. So if we do, yeah, as we can see, it's super fast. It just, you just need the green plastic. I'll throw it in there. I could maybe, see, that's still like even pretty fast. I mean, I don't know if speed upgrades would, well, actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I could make this bigger and then we'd be able to have more inputs, I think. Isn't that like a thing that works like that? I don't know, maybe we'll think about upgrading that at some point. I think they, I'm getting kind of distracted here. 3x3, 4x4, and 5x5, yeah. Yeah. Maybe we'll make it 5x5. We can get more inputs. But, yeah, so there is the empty PCBs. We do need some, this over here. I'm actually going to, I think it's better to put more in one. It goes up. It seems to go up faster. Although we could just do, I had the 4 in the light box. So if we just do 4 and 4, I mean, that is super quick. That should be going up. Yes, it is. So if we want to do this unassembled PCB, we need program laser. And thankfully we got one. I don't remember where we got these. You can buy them from the thing, so it's not that bad. I don't remember we got these. Did we get them in drill and laser? Oh, and that does both. All right. I think that just does both. All right, put that in there, and then we're yeah. And then right, we need a chest now. Which one is the blue? I don't remember. Let's do, it's a laser. Let's arrange this a little differently. Probably don't need quite that much pressure, but so put the laser there. Are you the input or the output? I don't remember. One of them needs to be the input and one needs to be the output, doesn't it? And it comes from, it pulls it out of a chest, doesn't it? Is that what it does? Maybe we can, I'm just trying to think, is there like a, we have the input and the output like next to each other maybe? Oh. Trying to remember. You do, not all machines for the inserted, just kidding. Let's just try the laser. Maybe that is not, I was thinking that would maybe do both. Maybe that's not how it works. I don't know. Oh, I don't have, that's probably, yeah. Control, platform, import, output. Input, laser, input. What am I missing? There's 5 things on here. Assembly drill. Did I somehow totally mess that up again? With the, Oh, you know what? It probably doesn't need them all, but to set up the multi-block, it needs the drill too. All right, let's try this again. Yeah, I need a drill. So I need a couple more. One more printed circuit. All right, let's try this. It's been a while since I've used this. I know it's fun, but it usually, I think it pulls out of the chest and puts it back in kind of thing, if I remember. But the input and the output may need to be next to the chest. Yeah, let me cut here really quick, and we'll be back. And we're back with the drill. So that, put this back down. Let's put the drill there. Then I put the input and the output right next to this chest. And I think at least, oh, okay, so it is working. Let me, I think that'll just do all of it. I just, I really feel like that is how I am looking at that correctly, I think. So, all right, so it needs 3.5 bars, so, you know, a pretty decent amount. I pulled the coal out because that sound was getting a bit annoying, but. All right, there's the 3.5 bars. All right, and we're moving. So it'll go in the chest. Should pick one, I think. I think we can speed this up too. We speed it up. Yeah, there we go. So it pulls it out, puts it on the thing. Did I? Oh, I have enough. All right. Why aren't you? No problems. Is it? Come on. I feel like that's right, right? Is it exposing it to light or something? Is that what it's doing? Because I didn't do that with the light box. Yeah, that's how you easy pressure chambers do with the assembly. Maybe that's here. Ah, just kidding. I think. Okay. So that's. I think that's what. All right. I'm kind of realizing the drill and laser is like a separate program. I think. No. All right. Why? Okay. Nope. Because. Yeah, it looks like. Maybe we do need to put that in a. I thought you didn't have to put it in the light box. Maybe I am mistaken though. Alright. We'll try like pull it out. Yes. Alright, one more. Let's try one more thing here. I have done this before, but like I said, it's been a long time. So we'll do that. I mean, this is really quick. Maybe maybe you do have to expose this still. You didn't have to though. But now I'm thinking this is for certain, like this, if I want to do advanced pressure tubes, I need this actual program because it needs to drill and laser for this item. It's not like, yeah, this is you only do the laser program, so that's, I think, and if I want to do it this way, pressure value tubes to pressure tubes, you'd use that. But maybe I'm mistaken. I thought, yeah, I don't know. Alright, we'll try this. I thought you didn't have to do this, but maybe you do. Maybe the assembly just stops from having to throw it in etching acid? So let's just, we're almost there. We'll do that. And while that's doing, do I have, no, we got a pig. I keep getting parrots and apparently regular cows. I don't want regular cows, I want a fluid cow. Maybe I'll throw some dirt over here because we were getting tons of it when I was over here. Maybe jungle biome is throwing it off. Alright, 98. There we go, 100. So let's try this again. So we put it in there. Obviously we'll do, I won't be breaking it and stuff, but we'll do that. Laser. It needs a bit more. Throw it in there. There we go. All right, so it's pulling it out. Put it on there. Is it gonna laser it? No. No, what are you doing? Maybe the laser needs to be next to it. All right, let's try this. We'll try this. All right, so it looks like the laser needs to be right next to it. All right, now we're learning. All right, we'll see if it needs, oh, no, it didn't. It didn't even pull out. It didn't even pull out the one we did. All right, yeah, okay, so you don't need to do the etching thing. All right, I wasn't crazy. All right. So there we go. So input, output on a chest, and the laser needs to be right next to it. Now, I could have sworn like it does work that way, but maybe not. Maybe I need the drill right next to it. So if we do the other, maybe the drill needs to be there, but all right, I'm assuming it will work on the one that has been etched. No. All right. So that's a thing. So it doesn't work with the ones that have been etched. So that was definitely wrong. Wrong way to do it. But all right, there we go. There is the unassembled PCBs. So we could, you know, throw an interface on there and stuff. And yeah, I wonder if, I'm curious. Let's do, since we need a lot of these, we don't need a ton of them, but I want to get some more controllers, so we might as well. Let's just do a bit more testing. So, in there, PCB. That'll be relatively quick. I want to see if the input does it from an angle, because I think the drill and the laser need to be right next to it. They can't. I don't think that works from an angle. Come on. I'm just waiting for the stuff to be put in. Yeah. So I definitely think I want to upgrade the. Maybe make this bigger too. But, oh man, it's just having a temple right at the altar right there is wasn't the best ideas. I could maybe move the altar out here, kind of get it out of the way, but I don't know. We'll see. It kind of just, I threw it down there originally when it was just the one, and then I added that, and it kind of grew to tier 5. So if we do, let's do this. And that. This one what I want to do. We could actually, we could have an input and an output chest. if we wanted to do it. I just wanted to see if this would work. Wait, yeah, well that was going at an angle, wasn't it? Not enough pressure, right? Yeah. All right. Just trying to figure out the kind of mechanics of this thing. So we'll throw that in there. That'll just take forever. I want to get some of the advanced ones. Advanced air compressors, because this, that only goes up to 5. Maybe not. I do want to get the advanced ones for this, though, so we can get this super, super hot. All right, that's almost there. Will that pull? Yes. All right, so that will pull out from there. Laser. And that will put it back in there, I'm assuming. Yes. All right. So there we go. So the input output does work on an angle. It looks like the laser and the drill don't go. So I don't know. I may rearrange this somehow. Maybe we'll put the standby. I don't know. It's just kind of a bit weird. I could always just throw another. I could always just make like another laser or something, just to, so it looks like kind of a block. I don't know. I don't like how it's. I feel like there just needs to be something there. But all right, well there is that. That definitely makes this much, much easier. And with that, we can, I think I want maybe 2 more. I need a couple things here. Yeah, black plastic. Oh, crystal clusters. I forgot about those. Those are so annoying. All right, but anyway, that is the Pneumaticraft assembly unit thing. I guess, like I said, I've got a couple things I need to do there. I've got Certus quartz I need to throw in there. I don't have Certus. Do I have Certus? No, I have Certus quartz seeds, don't I? I had to get them, yeah, for the thing originally. Probably don't have these set up to do, yeah, whatever. I don't have a recipe for that. But yeah, so we'll do that. And now that we got all the... I keep thinking this is... I keep thinking it's a sheep. Like when I see it out of the corner of my eye. We got our mercury that we need. We got the carbon ingots that we need. So I will continue doing space stuff. And like I said, I am working on the new armor. The next tier up of armor. And I'm also trying to get some seeds too. Unfortunately, that trying to do the armor and the seeds kind of clash because we need the same essence stuff for this. But anyway, yep, that's gonna be it for this episode. So thanks for watching and have a good one.